Hey, it's Michael Soul, also known as Tiny. It is Friday, March 29th, 2013. The market is closed for Good Friday. So I've decided to do my video today. Market will be reopened on Monday, even though it is a European bank holiday. So the volume may be a bit light. Let's take a look at the market and what I am looking at over the short term here. We have ended the best 6 month period of the market, which is October through March. So now we have April, which usually starts the worst 6 month period. That's just background indication. It doesn't mean, holy cow, it's April 1st, start selling, but just something to always keep in mind, or at least I always keep that in mind. Now, the S&P 500 has not yet hit its target, which I have been looking at for months now, which is all-time highs. This is the SPY. It came a little shy, but if it had a shot to get there last week, but just wasn't the case. Now here is the SPX, is the cash, because some people have asked to look at both. It's basically the same. They both fell a little shy here, um, and I still believe that we will get to these highs before we see a pullback of substance. I mean, this has been the biggest pullback we've seen this year. It wasn't nothing. I mean, this was a pretty nasty day, but we turned it right around and got right back going here. Now, the trend is up. So to sit here and just say, hey, you know what? Let's get to new highs and then it's an easy short. First of all, no such thing as easy in the market. Number two, I don't know if that's the case, but there are some divergences that are peaking up here that suggest that there may be some work done once the S&Ps do hit a new high, or at least test a new high. So I'm going to be very, very attentive to those highs and see what happens there. If we break the highs, do we just get a flurry of initiative buying coming in? Or do we get responsive selling coming in, taking profits and pushing this market down? My opinion, as I've made it clear, we've made it clear in the newsletter, is that we could be forming a head and shoulders here, left shoulder. This is the head, and then a nice push down. Everybody gets into just buy the pullback mode because this last one, that's what happened. They buy the pullback, it comes up and forms a lame right shoulder, and then a deeper correction ensues. Of course, this is all just opinions and predictions, but it's good to have a roadmap at least to see if it follows out what you're thinking. And this way, it will build confidence in your trades. Obviously, you'll be able to take trades more effortlessly if you are seeing what you are expecting, right? Doesn't mean they're going to work. It just means you're going to definitely have more confidence because you're understanding what's going on. So for this week, I think that we will see some early upside. I do believe that we will see those new highs. Of course, I've been saying this for a couple of weeks. We just haven't been going. We've just been chopping around. But, I haven't been wrong, and I'm not justifying whether I'm right or wrong. I'm wrong plenty of times, okay? And I never pretend to be one of these super gurus that claim that they're always right, 90% win rate for 10 years. It's just, it's ridiculous, okay? You guys see my videos, you read my emails, you read the newsletter, you see that I can be wrong. And the real key to successful trading is not being wrong, because you're going to be wrong, is staying wrong. But I haven't been wrong here. I haven't been correct that we've hit the highs, but we haven't seen a big pullback here. And I get accused sometimes of, oh, you're on the fence, you're not making a strong stand. Well, if you read my emails, if you read the newsletters, if you watch the videos over the past several months, I have been pounding my fist on the table saying that we will get to these all-time highs in the S&P. And guess what? I'm still not correct yet. We still haven't gotten there, but it looks like we have a good shot of getting there early early in the next coming week. Okay. So have a wonderful Easter if you're celebrating. Have a wonderful Passover if you're celebrating, and be sure to subscribe to the email list. Check the newsletter, which is still It looks like April 15th is the rollout date for a paid service, so it's still free for a limited time. Check it out. Email me, tiny@stockmarkettrendx.com, with any comments, and I will be sure to get back to you or address them in next week's video. Have a great week, a great weekend, and I'll talk to everybody again very soon.